Your science teacher. This video is continuation of lesson 1 organ system. Today topic is circulatory system. Our body contains various organ system. Each organ system perform their special functions in our body with the help of organ systems. For example, in the previous chapter, we have studied about the digestive system and respiratory system and their functions. In this chapter, we will learn about the organs and functions of circulatory system. The organs of circulatory system help to transport substance inside our body. In this system, blood circulated to transport oxygen and nutrients to every parts of the body. This circulatory system consists of the following: heart, blood vessels. The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from and towards the heart. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood back to the heart. The circulatory system carry oxygen and nutrients and hormones to cells and remove big waste product like carbon dioxide. First, we are going to discuss about heart. What is the structure and functions of the heart? The heart is a hollow and muscular organ. It is somewhat conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. The space between the membrane is filled with pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. Heart is placed inside the thoracic chamber, that means rib cage, in between the two lungs. Our heart can divide into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers and 2 lower chambers. 2 upper chambers are called atria or auricles. 2 lower thicker chambers are called ventricles. The upper and lower chambers of the heart are separated by a muscular wall or tissues known as the auriculoventricular septum of the heart. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body and pumps into the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood, that means pure oxygen, from the lungs and pumps it into different parts of the body. Next, we are going to discuss about blood. Why the blood is red in color? Each of the red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an iron-rich protein. When hemoglobin binds with oxygen, the interaction between them gives our body its red color. Blood transport nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adult is 4 to 5 liters. How many liters, children? 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. What is the functions of the blood? It regulates water level and the body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Next, blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. That means except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart, and veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins which carry oxygenated blood to the heart. That means, I repeat children, arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. And then, do you know children, there are some animals like lobsters and crabs that have which color blood? Blue blood. And then cockroach also has colorless or white blood. Then what is a normal heartbeat? A normal heartbeat when you are not being active is between 60 to 100 beats per minute. This is called your resting heart rate. If you have been active means you will need to wait at least 5 minutes before taking your pulse. So what is your normal heartbeat rate? 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay children, today assignment for you, draw and label the heart and write the functions of the heart. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you children.